Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is just going to be a very easy, quick tutorial showing you how I like to achieve healthy, glowing skin. If you live in Montreal, you know that our winter has been very long. There's a lot of snow still and it's finally melting outside. So just in the spirit of spring on its way and then summer, I just really wanted to make a video on glowing skin. After I've moisturized my skin with the Clinique moisturizing lotion, I'm just going to take my Fix Plus in the coconut scent and I'm going to spray about 5 sprays all over my face to really get my skin hydrated and wet. And then I'm going to take my Infallible Pro Glow by Loreal. I'm in the shade Classic Ivory. Lately, I've been using this Pro Glow foundation very often. I think it's really nice. It doesn't enhance my dry skin and it's very dewy. So I think that it's overall a really good foundation. I also talked about it in my full face first impressions video. So next I'm just going to use my Fit Me concealer in the shade Light. This concealer is said by Maybelline to make your skin look perfected with its natural coverage for 0 flaws and blemishes. So I'm just going to apply it to highlight my face and cover up some blemishes, and then I'm just going to use my Real Techniques beauty sponge to blend it out really seamlessly. Next, I'm just going to be using my Wet n Wild brow kit in the shade Ash Brown. I really like this brow kit because they give you 2 brown shades and I like to mix them together and just define and shape my brows. And sometimes I like to just put it in my purse, and throughout the day if I notice that I want to just fix my brows a little bit, it's really easy to carry with me. And for this look, I want to be very natural and I just want to enhance my brows, so I'm just using really light hand to make hair-like strokes. And like I said, because I'm very excited for spring and summer, I just wanted to use my butter bronzer. It smells amazing and it works really well. It makes your skin look really sun-kissed. It smells so tropical and it goes on the skin so nicely. Next, I really want my skin to look luminous, so I took some of my Milani bronzer in the shade Glow 04, and I'm just going to apply a little bit to my cheeks. Next, I took my Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist and I made sure to shake it really well, and I just applied a bit on my Real Techniques beauty sponge. So I just dipped it into, I think, the lightest shade in my Pierre glowing palette, and then I applied it to my face, but I noticed that it was coming off a little bit too subtle for the look I wanted to achieve. So then after I did that, I went in with a brush and I added some more on top because I think that the brush really picked up the powder a lot better. So as you can see, I'm just enhancing some of my features with the highlight, trying to mimic where the sun would hit my skin. And to give a flush of color, I also used a pink highlighting shade on top of the first shade I used. Next, I'm going to use my MAC Fix Plus again, just to set everything in place to make sure that nothing moves throughout the day. So next, I'm going to be using the Atole lip gloss from ColourPop and I Love Sarai. I think this lip gloss is so beautiful on its own. You can really see the gold specks inside of it when the light hits your face, and I love that about this lip gloss. And it's also really nice if you want to pair it with a liquid lipstick. So next, I wanted my lashes to look very natural but long, and I didn't want them to look clumpy. So first I took my Dior lash primer, and then secondly I went on top of that with my Buxom mascara, and it made my lashes look really long. Like I said, it didn't make it look clumpy at all, and I was really happy that it looked as natural as possible. So that's it. That's the end of the tutorial. I hope you guys found it helpful and you liked it. These are the products that I like to achieve this look. Let me know in the comments down below what products you like to achieve healthy, glowing skin. I would love to try any of the products that you guys recommend. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.